Hey guys, back again. Working on a Remington 22-inch 159cc OHV weed eater push behind wheeled stringer trimmer. What happened was I got it over here on the bench. It broke right there, so I'm grinding it back down. I already welded it and grind it back down. I know I should have brought you in and everything, but that's what I'm working on right now. Get that over there fixed, get it put on, and then we're going to probably see if she's going to fire up on her own. If she ain't, well, then we're going to have to dive into it and see what's going on with it. I know the cover right here is loose. I got to fix it, put it back in place. It supposedly runs. They stopped using it because of that, for the belt right there. It goes in on this side. Over here on this side, you can't really see it because it's too dark in there. But that's the reason why it broke. So, alright, we'll bring you along. I'll show you when I get it put back together, and we'll see what else is wrong with it. See ya. Alright, we're back again. I got it bolted in. All bolted in and everything. And over here, I wanted to show you all this. Right over there, there's a spring right here that goes back across. And I had to take it back down and drill another hole for the spring to set in. So that way there it'll stay, the belt will stay tight. It don't need a whole lot of tension onto it, so it's done so far. Now all I gotta do is just put this all back in together, and then crank it up and see if she's gonna run or not. Hopefully she will. I ain't gotta do anything more to it. So, alright, we'll bring you on when we get to the next one. Well guys, she's up and running. Digging a hole in the ground. Working beautiful. Working beautiful. Look at there. It even works right. Alright. We got two more we got to work on. What next? Troy built or Lawn Boy? Decisions. Till the next time, you'll see what I'm going to be working on. Alright. Bye. Alright. This is what we're having for lunch. Got it already cooking in the microwave. Shop lunch. Cool. And what we're going to have to drink today, we're going to have some water. And we're going to have A&W root beer sugarless drink packs. Look at there, everything's falling. I have one of these. Put these things back up. Put them in there. There. I'm gonna have one of them. They're pretty good. I like them. And we decided that we're going to work on this lawn boy. 20-inch Briggs & Stratton, probably a 5-horse onto it. The cable, I took this one off from another mower, and looks like it's a little bit long, but it's not retracting down here, so I got to get the top off, and find out the reason why it's not retracting. There might be just enough in it for it, but all right, we'll bring you along when I get some more done. Bye.